is Shayna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hot pink smoky black wing look. I think it looks really cool. It's kind of giving me like Mean Girls. Oh my god, it's like Mean Girls but with this hairstyle. It's like thank you next video, like with the wow, I didn't even do that on purpose. It's very Barbie, it's sultry, but it's fun and girly at the same time. And it's not too crazy, even though you have that pop of hot pink. It's not like, bam, here's some hot pink in your face, you know? It's like, oh, that's hot pink, but it looks good. I hope you like it, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my base and eyebrows off camera, just so this video is not like 45 minutes long. We don't need all of that. So I'm going to be using my Morphe James Charles palette here. I've really been liking this palette so far. I've done a couple looks with it, and I've been happy with it every time. They're really pigmented shadows. They blend out really nicely. I'm going to be taking a little bit of this shade here and a little bit of the white, just because I want it light but not super white. And I'm just going to kind of set the eyeshadow primer that I already put on just under my brow bone, and I'm bringing it down almost to the crease but not quite, just so when I start working on the crease, the crease shadows can blend into that, and it's a little bit easier to blend powders into powders. Okay, so I want to keep the crease pretty soft and pretty neutral cool. I don't want it too warm. So I'm going to take this shade up here, and I'm gonna use that kind of as a transition shade. Okay, now I'm just gonna take the shade right under it, right here, and I'm just gonna deepen up my crease a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to take this brown shade in the other corner here. It's a little bit cooler. Oh, it's really more neutral, but I'm like a warm tone kind of girl, so this is very cool toned for me. And I'm just gonna deepen up my crease a little bit more, and this is with a Morphe M507. And I'm gonna go back with the brush that I was using before just to blend the edges out and get a nice soft look. Okay, so now I just want to add a little bit of like a contrast or like a brightness on my lid. So I'm just going to take this light pink shade right here, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the white again, just because I want more of like just a wash of a really light pink. And I'm just going to take that and go right under the crease. Ooh, that is pigmented, wow. So I'm just going right under the crease with this. Kind of as if I was like cutting my crease, but I'm not. I want to keep it pretty soft. And I'm just going to go back with that brush I was using for my crease before and just blend it. Now I'm going to take a clean M507 brush and this hot pink shade in the corner here, and I'm gonna start creating kind of like a wing shape on my lash line, but I'm going to smoke it into black, so I'm gonna keep it pretty high, and I want this hot pink to be really intense. So I'm just going to keep building up this black until I get something that I'm happy with. Okay, so I'm just going to go back with a little bit more pink and a fluffier brush and just start kind of blending it a little bit more, because I want it to be pretty smoky and like very blended. Okay, so I'm actually taking just a little bit more black, and I think I'm going to deepen up the outer corner a little bit more with this. Just so like the shape of the eye makes a little bit more sense. Yeah. And at this point I'm really just kind of keep going back and forth with the black and the pink until I get something that I like and the pink is at the intensity that I want. Okay, I am pretty happy with where these wings are right now. I think that it has a good pop of hot pink, but it's not overpowering. I'm liking how it's going. So I'm going to move on to the lower lash line now, and I'm going to start with the same transition shades that we used on the top. So that first light color in the corner, I'm just going to lay that down as like a transition. And then I'm going to go with the shade right under it, the one that we used in our crease first. And I'm also going to go in with that last dark brown shade that we used in our crease before as well. And with this shade, I'm really connecting the wing here, so everything is just kind of connected and cohesive. Okay, I think I'm going to bring that little bit of hot pink to the lower lash line as well. I'm just going to take a little bit and put a pop of it kind of like on the inner corner kind of, but not really. Like almost to the inner corner, but stopping right before. And then just blending it out into the rest of that lower lash line. And I'm just going to make sure that that's nice and blended in. Okay, to finish it off, I'm just going to add a little pop in the inner corner. So I'm going to take this like pinky shimmer shade here and just stick that right in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back to finish up the look. Okay, so I just threw on some mascara and lashes. This look is really coming together now. So I'm just going to add a little bit more black to my lower lash line and kind of like in my waterline a little bit, just to smoke it out a little bit more. And I'm getting super close to my lashes. And I'm also putting some in my waterline. Okay, to finish off the lip, I'm taking the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge lipstick in the shade C209, and I'm just going to pop that right in the center of my lips. Okay, I'm just going to finish off a little bit of setting spray. And that is the look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. It really helps me out. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm definitely way more active on those platforms than I am on here, especially on Instagram. If you really want to see my makeup looks, I post there more than anything, so just saying. If you do happen to follow this video and recreate this look, please be sure to tag me wherever you post it. I would love to see it. And until next time, bye!